How to make money from your phone in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Today we're diving into a hot topic. How to make money from your phone in 2024? Yes, you heard that right. Your phone can be a powerful tool for earning cash. So, let's jump right in. First up, we have online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions and they're willing to pay for them. Apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research allow you to take surveys and earn points or cash. It's simple, quick, and you can do it while waiting in line or during your commute. Section 2. Freelance work and gig economy apps. Next, let's talk about freelance work and gig economy apps. If you have a skill, there's a market for it. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit connect you with clients looking for services ranging from graphic design to writing to handyman tasks. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Section 3. Selling products online. Another great way to make money is by selling products online. And no, you don't need a physical store. Apps like Etsy, eBay, and even Facebook Marketplace make it easy to list items for sale. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage finds, or even digital products, there's a buyer out there for almost anything. Section 4. Passive income through investments. For those interested in passive income, investing is a smart option, and yes, you can do it all from your phone. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash allow you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and even real estate. With just a few taps, you can start building a portfolio and watch your money grow over time. Last but not least, creating content and becoming a social media influencer can be incredibly lucrative. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, sharing your passion and expertise can attract a large audience. Brands are always looking to collaborate with influencers, offering sponsorship deals and advertising revenue. And there you have it, folks. These are some of the best ways to make money from your phone in 2024. Have you tried any of these methods? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe now.